video, we are gonna upgrade the ChatGPT for free. As you can see my screen here, we are gonna upgrade it with clicking try go button. Once we click the button, we can go with free Go Plus and Pro plans, and we are going to select the Go plan because it's free for some time. So let's click it up, and we will getting it free for 1 year, the one whole year. So yes, we have chosen it, and the plan is getting ready for us, and we have to just add the card details as of now, and then we can always unsubscribe with this model. So let's click on the card details, and we have entered all the card details here and the address information and this, and let's click on the subscribe button. So it will take less than a minute, and then we'll get our plan for free. So let's hit the processing and wait for a minute. So we just get our plan for free, and they are just getting our account ready. As we can see, it's been processing now. So let's wait for a minute and see what we get on this plan. Yes, here we can see that we are subscribed to ChatGPT Go. So now let's create some image and check if it is faster or not. Can you please generate me an image for cute cat eating? Yes, it seems to be faster than before. Let's see how much time it takes to generate the image. Yes, it is faster than before. And here we can see our image is just ready, and you can see the results. How does it look like? If you have tried the previous version, you must have seen that it takes around 1 minute or 2 minutes to get the image ready. And right now the image is ready within 1 minute. Yes. Let's see. Okay, creating image may take a moment. Just the download button. And yes, the image is ready. Yeah, but it's not that much faster as we expected, but yes, it is a bit faster. Let me see if I can download it now. No, you cannot because it's still being created, so it's not downloaded yet. Oh, yes, it's done now. See, the clarity is good and the image is done. So here, that is, please, you can always upgrade to this GPT Go for free as of now, and 12 months, and experiment the things you want to experiment, create free videos and upload it on, create free images, create a slider of that, and then upload the images and videos on YouTube after that. So it's the time for you to experiment with the images and videos. So see you on the other side of the video.